Hello everyone to Bohemian Crafting channel. Today I've got for you a really cute creative idea. I do read lots of books. I received many books in the Christmas tree, which I really love. This is like a really good one. And always when I do finish somewhere sentence, then I'm kind of like forgetting where I finished, and I'm reading maybe all the page because I was finishing somewhere here, but I don't remember that. So I'm reading all this all over again. So I was thinking I'm gonna create some bookmarks for myself. And I came up with this solution. It's like hidden paperclip. And I can place it anywhere I want, point any kind of part of the book. And I do have both sides. I do have the left side and the right side, so it depends where I am. I can put on this side or on that other side, and I do have there kind of like sentences. Oh, I need to place it here. Here I do have hold my sentence, and I do have another kind of like quotes. Don't lose your place, hold that thought, stop here adventure. So there are cute sentences, and I do believe these will look amazing even in our journals, like paper clips. So I do have many beautiful designs, as I couldn't choose just one, and I'm gonna show you how you can create them. For creating these paper clips, I do have here these cute prints in red, ivory and black, green, ivory and black, and red, black and ivory labels. I'm gonna fussy cut out first these on pieces. I do have now all strips fussy cut out this way. Now I'm gonna fold these long sides together. With a knife, I'm gonna cut the window through to both layers. I'm gonna hold these together and cut long sides, and then I will grab small scissors and cut that rest. I don't wanna cut myself, so very carefully cut these. Now with very small scissors, I'm gonna hold both together and I'm gonna cut the rest. These white strips are placed the way that I can cut it both on both sides at once, this way. Like this, like this. And now this window I'm gonna cover with piece of acetate. And here it doesn't matter which side you're gonna choose. You can use double-sided tape, you can use some glue you like. This acetate piece I've got from old box. I think this one it's from a box with fireworks. It did had plain acetate lid. So now when I do have glued that acetate piece, I can also take distress ink and distress all edges. I can do it now, or I can do it before gluing that acetate piece. And I'm gonna distress all the edges on my little piece just to give it some vintage touch. And it's better to do it when this cutted piece is flat, because once you will add their paper clip, it's a little bit harder to distress all that piece. So once you do have glued that acetate inside, here I'm gonna fold it this way, and you have written down, there is written down where there should be short side of the paper clip, where there should be a long side of the paper clip, like this. Here is longer side, here is shorter side. I'm gonna grab the glue, put the glue here, and on that end I'm gonna fold it over and over. I'm gonna flip it this way, and I'm gonna put the glue on this other piece all around, and I'm gonna fold it over. And I do have my base. Now I'm gonna do all of them same way. I do have all pieces done with the acetate, a little window here, and now comes this sheet and all kind of labels. I'm gonna use these circle labels on the back side here, and these labels somewhere here. And my little collection of bookmarks with decorative elements. And with little sayings under the window. So then when you wanna use it in your book, you just need to grab your book, and where there you stop the reading, you're gonna slide your paper clip, and you can manage where you stop the reading. Or you can use the other side. So that way you will always find where you have stopped the reading. So this is my new digital design and new digital collection on my Etsy. I wanted to share how you can actually create these, if you will find them on my Etsy, so don't be confused. So this will be on my Etsy now, link will be down below. I hope you like this idea. You don't have to use my my design, but you can create your own design and use this folding and the idea actually. But if you do like that design, link will be down below. So this is all my sharing for today. Thank you so much for joining me today and spending your time with me. So I wish you all beautiful day. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful time. Take care of yourself, and I will come back soon. Bye.